Intro, Bike Empire. Welcome to Bike Empire, the channel where we explore the machines that shaped the roads of India. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic motorcycles ever built, the Bajaj Pulsar 150. The birth of a legend. Launched in 2001, the Pulsar 150 changed the way Indians looked at motorcycles. Before its arrival, bikes were mostly about mileage. The Pulsar brought something new: power, style, and attitude. It was the bike that made "definitely male" a household phrase among riders. Design and style. The Pulsar 150 carries a muscular and sporty stance. From its sculpted fuel tank with aerodynamic shrouds to the sharp tail section, every curve speaks of performance. The wolf-eyed headlamp and bold graphics give it a road presence that still turns heads after all these years. Engine and performance. Under the tank lies a 149.5 cubic centimeters, air-cooled, single-cylinder engine that delivers around 14 horsepower of power and 13.4 newton-meters of torque. Known for its refined performance and smooth acceleration, it strikes a perfect balance between power and efficiency, making it ideal for daily commuting as well as spirited weekend rides. Ride and handling. With its telescopic front forks, twin rear shocks, and a well-balanced chassis, the Pulsar 150 offers stability and comfort even on rough Indian roads. Its wide tires and front disc brake ensure confident control, whether you're navigating traffic or cruising on highways. Why it still matters. Even after more than 2 decades, the Pulsar 150 continues to rule the mid-segment category. Its combination of reliability, affordability, and timeless design keeps it relevant for both new riders and loyal fans. Outro, Bike Empire. The Bajaj Pulsar 150 isn't just a motorcycle, it's a legacy on 2 wheels. It proved that Indian bikes could be both practical and thrilling. Thanks for joining us on Bike Empire. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the machines that define our roads. Ride safe, and keep the throttle open.